my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Apache Tomcat and Jackson. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The server log entries that indicate transfer start and transfer end have been enhanced to include new message properties that you can see here in the table. They contain essential details about the transfer. This information is structured in JSON format to facilitate efficient data exchange and processing by other systems. These messages are available on SecureTransport server, but not on SecureTransport Edge. The OAuth plugin, which previously supported only resource owner password credentials grant type for the HTTP, FTP, and SSH protocols that require authentication with user and password, has undergone a major update. The new plugin adds support for 3 industry-standard HTTP flows. To download the plugin, visit the Axway repository. The future deprecations and end-of-support section in the release notes has been updated to include information about all supported platforms with end-of-support dates in the next 12 months. Refer also to the Axway and third-party software support section in the Administrator Guide for upcoming end-of-support dates. Upon fresh installation or update, the main menu of the administration tool is initially displayed in its expanded format. You can manually collapse or expand it according to your preferences by using the arrow in the bottom left corner. Your preferences are stored in the browser and are retained for future sessions. Thanks for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.